Alright guys, for this last one, it's a little more difficult than the other two. We're adding in a whole, and so we have y equals x, and then y equals square root of x for the points, and that's about y equals 1, so it's not about over the x-axis. Alright, so for the graph, I already drew it. There's y equals 1, so that's what we're going over. And then y equals x is that diagonal line, and y equals square root of x is going like this. So we have there, and then as we rotate that over y equals 1, we're trying to find right here. Alright, so the equation for that one's going to be volume equals pi from the integral of 0 to 1 minus x squared minus 1 minus square root of x squared dx. Alright, then so from there on, like we've been doing, just solve it from there. So 1 minus x squared. And so 1 minus x squared is pretty much 1 minus x times 1 minus x. And same goes for 1 minus square root of x squared. So you're going to have that minus 1 minus the square root of x times 1 minus the square root of x. So after you figure that, after you like FOIL that or whatever, you're going to get x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then over here you're going to get x minus the square root of x minus the square root of x plus 1. And then that will give you x minus 2 square root of x plus 1. Alright, so after you pretty much FOIL both those out, go back to the problem. Pi is the integral from 0 to 1, x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 2 square root of x plus 1. Alright, and then you gotta remember to like distribute all that out. So the negative 2x is gonna cancel with this x. So you're gonna get pi 0 to 1 x squared minus x minus 2 square root of x plus 2. Alright, so after you pretty much distribute everything, you're going to take antiderivative, pi 1/3 x cubed minus 1/2 x squared minus 4/3 times x to the 3/2 plus 2, and that's from 0 to 1. Alright, and then from there on out you just keep simplifying it. Pi 1/3 minus 1/2 minus 4/3. Alright, and then you're going to get pi to the negative 3/2, and your final answer will be negative 3 pi over 2. That's probably pretty confusing because I didn't really know what's going on there, so yeah.